The Ultimea Nova S40 Series is a 2.1 channel soundbar system that consists of a main bar and a wired subwoofer. For the price asked, it claims to offer a slim and sleek design, powerful sound quality, and various connectivity options. But does it deliver what it promises? Let's find out. The Ultimea Nova S40 Series is a soundbar system that offers excellent sound quality and value for money. It is a great choice for those who are looking to upgrade the sound of their TV or PC without spending a lot of money. The Nova S40 produces excellent sound quality for its price. The soundbar delivers clear and crisp dialogue, and the subwoofer provides deep and powerful bass. The soundbar is also capable of producing a wide soundstage, which makes for a more immersive listening experience. The main bar has two ultra-thin track speakers that produce clear and balanced sound across the frequency spectrum. The subwoofer has a 5.25 inches driver and a 7.2-liter capacity that adds deep and powerful bass to the mix. The soundbar has 3 EQ modes: movie, music, and game. You can choose the one that suits your preference and content type. The movie mode enhances the dialogue and surround sound effects, making you feel like you're in a cinema. The music mode boosts the treble and bass, giving you a more dynamic and lively listening experience. Sleek and slim soundbar perfectly fits the size of your PC, visually and audibly elevating your gaming environment. The enhanced game mode and subwoofer put you in the center of the game. The game mode optimizes the sound for gaming, making you more immersed in the action. The soundbar also has a bass MX technology that enhances the bass performance without distorting the sound quality. You can adjust the bass level from -6 to +6 according to your liking. The soundbar also has a noise reduction feature that eliminates background noise and improves voice clarity. The Ultimea Nova S40 Series can fill a medium-sized room with rich and immersive sound without any distortion or lag. It's suitable for watching movies, listening to music, playing games, or enjoying any other media content. If this video is helpful to you, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. That tells me that I am building an audience and that I am creating helpful content. And don't forget to like this video, as it helps reach a wider audience and really supports the channel. Looking at the design of the sound system, the Ultimea Nova S40 Series has a minimalist and elegant design that should fit well with most TVs and home decor. The main bar is only 1.5 inches thick and 15.7 inches long, making it easy to mount on the wall or place on a TV stand. The subwoofer is also compact and can be placed anywhere in the room without taking up too much space. Being this compact, the soundbar is suitable for TVs up to 40 inches. The remote control is simple and functional, but it could use some improvement. It requires 2 AAA batteries, which are not included in the package. It has separate buttons for power, input modes, volume control, and media playback. The Ultimea Nova S40 Series has multiple connectivity options, including HDMI ARC, optical, coaxial, auxiliary, USB, sub-out port, and Bluetooth 5.3. This means you can connect it to your TV, PC, smartphone, tablet, or other devices with ease. The soundbar supports Dolby Digital and DTS decoding, which enhances the sound quality and clarity. Here are some of the pros and cons of the soundbar. Pros: excellent sound quality for the price. Sleek and minimalist design. Variety of different audio inputs. Different EQ modes. Multiple connectivity options. Bass MX technology. Cons: remote control could be better. No single dedicated input button. The Ultimea Nova S40 Series is a great value for money soundbar system. For the price paid, it offers excellent sound quality, a sleek design, and a variety of different features. If you are looking to upgrade the sound of your TV or PC without spending a lot of money, the Nova S40 is a great option. The Ultimea Nova S40 Series is a great choice for anyone looking for a slim yet mighty soundbar system that offers powerful sound quality, multiple connectivity options, and various features. It's easy to set up, use, and enjoy. It's also affordable compared to other similar products on the market. For buying options and more information about this soundbar, check the links in video description, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.